so I'm running, but my words remain cunning, cause what I wanted, yo. Starts with a gray cloud, then it drops, soon it'll all fall down, and it feels like it won't stop. It's been drizzling for days in my thoughts, fighting for what I want with what I got. I might get in a booth where the sun comes out and things get hot. Release the hidden feeling that I find. I gotta drop and feel what a storm could be. And hey bro, it's falling down on me, but please let it rain. If it's the price to fame, in vain is the price to change. And change is the price to a legend in the game. A young mind to strain and pick rank from the sun that came. One who's sane but feels no pain when it's locked in his brain with no shame. It's not something I just say, I confidently start to scream. Bring the pain, come on and bring the pain. Back home when it rains, you feel the pain. It burns every mistake that you make, you learn. And it's like back home when it rains, you feel the pain. Back home when it rains, you feel the pain. It burns every mistake that you make, you learn. And it's like back home when it rains, you feel the pain.
No sweat, no stressing, I'm taking my time, more or less of a blessing. I'm ripping my rhymes, a lesson on a mission to find the line. Break it down like crimson and roll like tides. Blame everybody in the game of shame, everybody doing the same thing. Drop to the greatest burns, let it fall down, rain and strike the pain. Hope that they understand that I'm one blank as they fall like man that they claim to be. And I know I am the start of a part of a bigger plan. Yeah, and we seen the Beatles do it, everybody get together and start a revolution. Through our music we will make a movement. Keep your head up, cause we know no losing thing. Tell me where it's coming from. Telling miss that song and slums. Breaking bank, but we ain't reading none. Just because we have no fun. Slamming the thoughts that spin out. Cast it, look just how long all that lasted. Be prepared for the plague, I cast it. God, I'm screaming who can run the fast.
Back home when it rains, you feel the pain. It burns every mistake that you make, you learn. And it's like back home when it rains, you feel the pain. Back home when it rains, you feel the pain. It burns every mistake that you make, you learn. And it's like back home when it rains, you feel the pain. Back home when it rains, you feel the pain. It burns every mistake that you make, you learn. And it's like back home when it rains, you feel the pain. That you